Hello and welcome back to Candy's Crafty Closet. So I have a very small space. I am literally working in a closet. So I have to come up with storage solutions that might be a little bit out of the box for other people. So I had a question on one of my scrapbooking groups: how do you store your stamps? And people had, shelves and shelves and shelves of stamps, or totes full of stamps, but no one had this. So I wanted to show y'all my solution for storing stamps. This is going to be glary, so I apologize in advance. I'm going to try to hold it like to the side, and this pattern is making it all swimmy. So we have this really old photo notebook. I got some punches off of Facebook Marketplace, and the lady just threw this in because she didn't want it, and I didn't want to get rid of it. So I was like, I need a place for my stamps. Let's see. Oh, there's butterflies falling out of it. Like, let's just see if we can put it to good use. So I started putting my stamps in here. Now I do need a second one because this one is, as you can see, it is majorly full. And I do have one extender for this. That's why it's like gappy at the top. But I don't have two of them, so I can't extend it. Maybe I can look online and see if they still make these. But this thing is so full. But this sits up just like this on the floor right underneath my desk. So the way I have it in here is I have all of my butterfly and floral stamps that are like collage-y style here and here. And then I have my bee themed ones and my collage bee ones there. And then everything else for a while is floral. Just a whole bunch of floral stamps. I've got cactuses. I love flowers, so I have a ton of those. I have some chickens. Then it goes into my travel stuff. I have like different scripts and stuff, different postal things. This is getting so full that I can't really tell what I have anymore. Used to, when it was only like 2 stamps per page, I could easily see, and now it's getting way too full. So I need a second one or a bigger one. But I definitely like this solution though. I like being able to flip through. So then more postal, travel stuff. My splotchy things are all here. Music themed stuff. My big numbers and my words are there. Different corner embellishments are here. Is that the only one in that one? Oh, I could get more in that one. And then it goes into some holiday type things, summer, and then my faith-based stamps in the back. Now this is not my only stamp solution. I have these 2 bins right beside my desk where I can easily grab them. This side has tools and stuff in it, but this has my big chunky stamps that I want to use often. My big stamp block. So big stamps that won't fit, but this one is full of stamps that I use often. Like, I love the script and saying on this one. That one's a beautiful hand. Look at that cow. Oh, so cute. So that is another way that I keep stamps that I really want to use often close by me, and it's double layered. The last way that I have my stamps stored is like this right here. I have this stackable tote thing. I do have one more of these. It's just an individual one, and it has my holiday stamps in it. But this is pretty much it. So that big folder, this bin here, and then that little bitty quick grab stamp thing is all I have. I would love to have tons more, but I can keep getting bigger containers for these. This whole thing can become travel if I want it to, but I like that these had individual compartments. So I have travel, floral, and nature, and then other. In these I can easily pop one open. If I want to take just my travel somewhere, I can. I can change out the lids for the other ones. Really like this little storage thing. We're not selling for a container store, but I have no idea where this came from. It might have came from there, but I don't know. But I just wanted to quickly show y'all some different things that you could do to store your stamps. And if you liked any of these solutions and wanted to try them out and they helped you out, let me know. If you have a different solution that would work better in my space, let me know that too. I am open to trying new things, but I just wanted to share that really quickly and just give y'all another idea of maybe how you could reuse an old photo book for your stamps. And I will see y'all in the next time in my little bitty closet. Bye guys.